Welcome to my lightning talk. Today I'm going to talk about SIMDX, programming and processing of graph algorithms on GPUs. SIMDX covers two topics, graph and GPU. It makes graph computing better on GPU. I bet everyone agrees that graph is everywhere. Starting from the morning, you use Facebook to check the new feeds. It actually computes on social network. Navigation is another very representative example. It computes on road map network to do the recommendation. If you think SIMDX is a very interesting paper, you Google it, it actually computes on web page to figure out the article of your interest. There's a lot of examples out there. I will not enumerate them one by one, but I think it's very safe to say graph is everywhere. On the other hand, there's a bunch of graph algorithms they compute on those graphs and derive valuable insights for our daily life. For example, triangle completing is used for friend recommendation, and the shortest path is for navigation, similarly for PageRank and matrix factorization. Graph is everywhere. Graph computing is very insightful, but unfortunately, graph computing is also not easy. Because in the middle of the table, the time complexity of various graph algorithms are either E or several times of E. If you run the state-of-the-art power graph on Twitter dataset, it takes typically around tens of minutes to hours to do the computation. It's definitely not tolerable. That's also the reason we want to use GPU. As shown in this slide, for Tesla V100 GPU, it delivers hundreds of teraflops computation power and 900 GB per second data delivery rate. This is very good for graph because graph is data intensive and it needs those very high bandwidth to do computation. But unfortunately, GPU's simplified computer architecture, it's okay for dense matrices, but it's definitely a problem for graph, which is complex in nature. That's one of the reasons that we propose SIMDX to bridge the gap. Taken together, SIMDX have 3 contributions and delivers up to 10 times faster speed up for over the Ganrock state-of-the-art.